Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It's Mike with smartoptiontrading.com. It's Friday. Oh my God, thank God it's Friday, the 26th of March. This is a weekly recap. It goes out to my members and everybody that follows me on Twitter, YouTube, my email list, put it in a lot of different places. If you want to learn more about me, we have, a live Zoom room, we have Discord, we have a private Twitter feed. Come in, check out my webpage at smartoptiontrading.com. The link is in the description below. All right. What can I say about this week, guys? I can say one thing. I've been trading since 2008. This is probably the ugliest week of trading I've seen. The action here has been difficult to say the least. I can sum it up by just looking at a 5 minute chart on the SPY. And you can see here today, these wicked moves. We were selling off, we looked weak. You got this big, ferocious down 5 minute candle down, and then boom, the next candle completely engulfs it. If you think trading this is easy, it's not. It's just really not. The market is showing a lot of weird action. The SPY, for what it's worth, and it broke this downtrend. It held the 50-day yesterday, and it looks fairly good. Stephen, you're making me laugh. Thank you. And you too, Chris. My members love to post stuff in Discord to try to crack me up when we're doing the video. They're doing their best right now. The QQQs here remains the weak link. Couldn't get above the 50-day again this week, failed there. Back on the 100-day here going into the 8-day. The IWM here, for what it's worth, back to the 50-day today, it failed there. And the diamonds remain very strong, not far off all-time highs. I will tell you this, we have a tale of two markets. Damn it, Chris. You should join us. We have a lot of fun when things are going bad. I cannot unsee that. The VIX here has shown absolutely no weakness whatsoever. The VIX doesn't care where it's going, right? It's back under 20 here. Nothing here in this world that's scary in terms of the VIX. So let's cut back to the point and go to charts today. And I want to show you what I mean by a tale of two markets. They're playing these value names. And what I mean by that is, you look at names like the banks, JP Morgan, strong above the 8-day. Energy names remain very strong in this market above the 8 and the 21-day. A lot of the industrial names, Caterpillar, even though it sold off a bit, right back today. GE holding in, Honeywell holding in, GM holding in. There continues to be a lot of strength in different places in this market. You just have to look around for it. It's out there. Some of the pharma companies today, like BMY, they showed some strength, right? We saw that in Merck as well here. Okay, we saw a bunch of little things going up. Then you look at the other side of it. You had names getting just wrecked. Viacom in the last 3 days from 100 down all the way to 40. Discovery Network, right? DISCA, DISCA, type it right. Okay, look at this. China names, IQ, just annihilated. VIPs, annihilated. GSX, right? You get the idea here. There is some wickedness under the covers going on here. Bring it closer to home. The SMH, actually, it's up today and it looks strong, but names like AMD, still not participating. NVIDIA, still not participating here. So it's under the cover names like AMAT that are running the show here that are moving up. Nice move there. Names like Tesla, which were the darlings of this market last year, cannot find a friend right now. Keep an eye on this. Something bad happens to Tesla, we could see a big round of selling in the markets of a lot of fund managers are leveraged out the wazoo on Tesla. So that's something to keep your eyes on. Bottom line, it is a very tough, ugly week here in the markets. But at the end of the day, the indexes are holding up, especially the SPY and the IWM, especially the SPY and the diamonds. So if those hold up and this continues, we could see a baiting of the selling and possibly a big bounce in this market. But you got to wait for it. Next week's a short week. 4 days. The markets are closed on Friday for Good Friday. Passover starts on Saturday. So I know, a lot going on with holidays here coming up over the next week. I'm flat. I have very little on right now. I'm very ready to deploy if we would get something. I would love to come in Monday and see a big dump in this market and then they come buying it up. But, the way this market's closing here, chances of that are slim. I hope you're all doing well during this time. The best advice I can give you is what I follow myself. When I get uncertainty, I trade less. I traded very judiciously. I didn't trade a lot this week. Look at this, SPY highs of the day now after all this. And we'll see what next week brings. I wish you guys a good weekend, and I'll do charts on Sunday.